Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the iPad Air 4 gaming review. In this video, we will find out if you can use this device as your only gaming device. You will be able to decide after watching this video. Ever since I did the unboxing of this device, I was excited to check its performance and gaming in the device, and finally we are here. I have been using this iPad Air 4 from past couple of weeks and I have played some games on this device for couple of days, and this video is all about that. I will share some details based on my uses and experience, so request you to watch the video till the end. If you still have any query or doubt after watching this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. I would love to answer your queries. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. In this video, I am going to talk about the graphics quality, speaker output, thermal performance and battery drop at the time of gaming. I always played Call of Duty Mobile in high graphics and with max frame rate. I have played on very high graphics also. In both the graphics setting, the device handles the game nicely. The game runs smoother, game loads faster, shadows are accurate and there are no such frame drops. Bonus tip, if you have connected to a Wi-Fi 6 network, then you will get much more better experience as the iPad Air supports Wi-Fi 6. So in terms of gaming, I did not have any issues. In some cases when I did gaming with screen recording, in that situation also this device handled the game nicely and there was no game lag or frame drops. So overall the gaming performance is fantastic and the game feels realistic due to the A14 Bionic chip. Like any other device, the iPad Air 4 also gets warm if you are playing for a longer period of time. I was able to feel that on the back side of the device. Thanks to the A14 chip inside, it does not make it extreme hot and the cooling time is less than any other device. Compared to the iPad mini 5 and the iPhone 11, the iPad Air generates less heat. So overall the thermal performance in this iPad Air 4 is good and I did not have any issues. Only when you play graphics intensive games for long hours, you will notice that heat on this device, else you will not even notice that issue. Avoid using covers when you are gaming, that will help the device to dissipate the heat faster. Now let's quickly see the speaker output coming from this device while gaming. I will play a game to show you the actual sound coming from these speakers. As you heard, the speakers are loud and clear. Thanks to the stereo speakers for such a great sound quality. You will be able to get the footsteps coming from left or right. Now you let me know in the comments below what you feel about the speakers. If you ask me, in my opinion, the speakers are great for gaming without a headphone. As we talk about everything except for the battery, now all have a question on a full charge how much time you will be able to play. If you notice the time and battery percentage in my device, it is 2:16 p.m. and I have 66% of battery left. Now I played Asphalt 9 for almost 20 minutes continuously and the battery dropped to 61%, which is 5% in 20 minutes. If you calculate that, then you will get 5 to 6 hours of continuous gaming on a single full charge. In my opinion, if you ask, the overall battery performance is very good for gaming, I would say. Now it's time for final conclusion. What you think of this iPad Air 4 for gaming? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, it is a very good device for gaming and for other tasks also. I really enjoy playing games on this device. I will put the link in the description below. Go check it out if you are interested. Hope this video is helpful. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Share with your friends and family. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I will see you in next video.